Rattle silencer is made in the U.S. from a durable polymer material that dampens the sound made by your Hitch's drawbar. You just apply it one time with no tools needed. Then you can use your Hitch exactly as you normally do, but with less noise. It's designed for 2-inch drawbars like this one. It's not recommended for multi-purpose drawbars. Before getting started, make sure that your drawbar is clean and dry. We're going to start with the 2 large rattle silencer pieces. Then we'll check the fit and see if we're all set or need some adjustment. Okay, remove the backing from one large piece. Line it up with the end of the drawbar. Make sure it's centered and the perforated lines align with the sides of the drawbar. Press it down. Then flip the drawbar over and do the same on the bottom. Now we need to make sure the material adheres completely. Use your Hitch pin to press down all 4 sides, each edge, and along the perforated areas. Okay, let's check the fit. Carefully slide your drawbar into the receiver and jiggle it. If it feels like a pretty tight fit, great. Now you're ready to fasten and safely secure your Hitch, drawbar, pin, clip, and/or any other required parts in accordance with your Hitch manufacturer's instructions. When applied correctly, rattle silencer should not affect Hitch functionality. If you cannot fasten and secure the Hitch in accordance with your Hitch manufacturer's instructions, you should remove rattle silencer and discontinue its use. If when you test the fit, your drawbar still feels pretty loose in the receiver, test out adding one of the shims. Most people won't need a shim, but we include it just in case you do. Don't pull off the backing from the shim yet. We're just testing it. Center the shim on top of your drawbar. If you can still easily get the drawbar into the receiver with the shim on top, you can add it. If it seems too tight, you don't need the shim. There will be 75% bonding of the materials within the first hour and complete bonding within 48 hours. But you can go ahead and start using rattle silencer right away. I know we've already said it once, but we'll say it again. Be sure to follow your Hitch manufacturer's instructions for fastening and securing your Hitch. Rattle silencer does not change any of the steps you need to take for safety. It just reduces the noise your drawbar makes when you're on the road so you can enjoy your ride. If you've got questions, get in touch with us at rattlesilencer.com/contact.